Here we go then with another one. We're on Cleeve Hill today. So here we go.
Tom Goodwin, some other people went to his house, nicked his stepdad's car and crashed it. He ended up hanging himself.
Oh, that's terrible, isn't it? He was only 18.
He didn't drag it on for too long.
No, he knew how to sort of.
Yeah.
Just that little bit of, give it a bit of kind of, you know, pressure. But
Bit of a weird night.
There's somebody there, Nichols.
Smells like horse.
Oh, it's an official.
Beware loose horses, man.
Do not touch or feed the horses.
Yeah, so Cleeve Hill, apparently it's been a home to a golf course since 1891. And if you're a golf fan, it hosted the 2010 Wells Cup.
What does it matter if everyone just gets fucking blown off the face?
Exactly. I mean,
Oh, there's all cows there.
You can really smell that wild garlic round here. Yeah. Lovely.
That hand sun or something.
Hey, bring you. Can you? Yeah, so Cleeve Hill, apparently now there's a lot of adders coming out of the woodwork, as it were. So, didn't come across any yet though.
Well, you want to carry that up with you, you know, in box.
Right, so much hassle, isn't it?
Strange,
Yes, that's Cheltenham Racecourse in the distance there. Absolutely beautiful views up there. Yep, so Cleeve Hill mainly consists of limestone rock and was home to hill forts back around 500 BC. You can actually see the hill forts there in the distance where they used to be.
It's nice the way they get the grass like that.
I went around for a photo, man.
It's the conference.
Cleeve Hill.
Did it, completed it, loved it.
Cleeve Hill. Done. That's it, then with another one. Summit of Cleeve Hill. Peace, man. So over in the far distance there, that's the Worcestershire Beacon and Herefordshire Beacon, and that was actually my first video of that. Lovely clear views today of that. Yep, all trials again. Well, that's it then, all done with another one, Cleeve Hill. Another cracker. Thanks to Dan and Loss for coming along. See you next time. Bloody hell.
Huge gonads, aren't they?
Jesus. Is he building up to something, is he? It's on.
Real like fucking posh knobs. Said the last one was a freebie.
Cleeve Hill. And if Chris was here, it'd be Cleeve Hill.